Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha. Here are the news that you need to trade this week, starting Monday the 8th of March and ending on Friday the 12th of March 2021. On Monday at 10 a.m. London time, we had the Bank of England's Governor Bailey speak up. Now, he's going to talk about the economy of the country and what does he intend to do. Raise the interest rate, put down the interest rate, what is he going to do? So listen to the Bloomberg radio and then act accordingly. Then on the next day, Tuesday the 9th of March at 10 p.m. London time, you have the Reserve Bank of Australia's Governor, Lowe. He speaks up. Now listen to the Bloomberg radio and see what he is saying, and then act accordingly. Then on Wednesday, March the 10th, at 1:30 p.m. London time, you have the CPI monthly coming out of United States. Now the previous month was 0.3% and expecting to get better at 0.4%. Now if it comes out at 0.5% or more, then you need to buy the US dollar. It comes out at 0.2% or less, then you need to sell the US dollar. Then at the same time, you also have the core CPI. It's the monthly one. So previous was 0.0 and is expected to be 0.2%. So if it comes out 0.3% or 0.4%, that's good for the US dollar. So you can buy the US dollar. If it comes out in a minus figure, minus 0.1 or something, anything to do with minus figure, in that case you need to sell the US dollar. Then at 3 p.m. on the same day, we have the Bank of Canada's rate statement coming out. The interest rate at the moment is 0.25%. As previous month it was also the same, 0.25%. If it comes out at same at 0.25%, then do nothing. If it comes out at 0.1%, in that case you need to sell Canadian dollar. If it comes out at 0.5%, in that case you need to buy the Canadian dollar. Otherwise, don't do anything. And then you have the crude oil inventory coming out at 3:30 p.m. Now, this is the inventory, what they have in stock. 21.6 million barrels of oil was there last month. Now, if it comes out more than 25.0 million barrel, in that case you need to sell the Canadian dollar. If it comes out say about 15 million barrel, in that case you need to buy the Canadian dollar, because the oil affects the Canadian dollar's price. And then on Thursday the 11th of March, we had the European monetary policy statement coming out, and listen to the Bloomberg radio what they're saying. And then the ECB conference is going to happen at 1:30 p.m. London time. Again, you need to listen to the Bloomberg radio. Then on Friday the 12th at 1:30 p.m. London time, you have the Canada's employment change figures coming out. It was minus 212.8K previous. If it comes out in a positive figure, in that case you need to buy the Canadian dollar. And also keep an eye on the unemployment rate. The unemployment previous month was 9.4%. Now keep an eye. If it drops down to less than 8% or less than 7.5%, in that case you need to buy the Canadian dollar. If it goes to more than 10%, then sell the Canadian dollar. Other than these news, there's nothing much. So all the best to you and see you next week. Take care and bye-bye.